What's up, guys? It's George, and today was another four-figure day in the life of a notary public. In fact, made almost $1,200 today with my notary business. Made over $1,100, close to $1,200, and I didn't wake up to an alarm clock today. Didn't even have my first appointment till 9 a.m. Had a 3-hour lunch break. Just messing around, working on some other businesses and screwing around and grocery shopping, and worked a couple hours this evening, wrapping up and making close to, $1,200 today. And most of my, work today, really the bulk of it was just driving around. I mean, I listened to hours and hours of audio lectures. I call it my automobile university. I feel like I had some major breakthroughs today. I learned just mind-blowing information listening to lectures, and I listen to audiobooks and things like that while I'm driving. Getting paid to get an invaluable automobile education, and that's why I feel like the notary business is one of the best businesses out there. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are cons as well. There's pros and cons, just like there are to any business. But this is just it's such a great business. It's a business where you can make so much money, and I've turned away easily over $1,000 to $2,000 in business just today. That I can only do so much, but I turned away about $1,000 to $2,000 in business today that I just couldn't handle. I mean, I've been at the point for a long time where I could start my own company and outsourcing all the business, just because I've been doing this for years now, and I got such a big network of people that come to me for their notary services, helping with closings and everything, you name it, that and I'm a great notary. I do an excellent job. That's why I get so much repeat business, because not tooting my horn, but I'm very good. Just ask any of my clients, why do you think they've been coming back to me time and time again? I've been doing this for almost 15 years. I do a great job. I make my customers happy. I make the person happy that I'm meeting with. Just today I had a closing notary appointment at it was at a restaurant bar. I was meeting with the owner of the restaurant bar, and he liked me so much. He was like, yeah, anytime you ever want to come back here, you can have free dinner, drinks. He really liked me a lot and just hit it off. And I have that all the time because I like to do a good job and go above and beyond. And although I may seem hard or cocky in these videos or whatever, it's you got to be a chameleon. I'm on this YouTube channel. I'm a coach. I'm not on here just to be your buddy. I'm here to help you guys and to provide insight and to be your coach, not just to make friends. Where when I'm out here doing business, it's a different personality. Because I'm, and I highly recommend that as well. People like to do business with who they know, like, and trust. And so if they like you and you make them feel good, they feel comfortable around you, they're gonna report back that you were a great experience working with. Whoever hired you is gonna really love that, and they're gonna want to use you again. And that's how I built my business. I've been doing this for almost 15 years now. I've been a notary out there on that stamp grind, making really good money, and I'm a single dad. I have multiple other businesses, so I'm not even working 40-hour weeks. But how I build my business and how I get such repeat business was out there just really the same way that you build any other business. And when I'm coaching, that's when I really lay it on and I teach the foundation, the real golden nuggets, and how I get, such quality repeat clients. I teach those gold nuggets, and I'm actually in the process of making a course now where I'm going to just make it real simple, exactly what I did to build my business. Because when I started this almost 15 years ago, there were no courses. I didn't take a course. I had to really figure this out on my own, and now, I'm able to help people get results a lot quicker and a lot faster, which is great. That's the benefit of having a coach and from learning other people. I got out there knocking on doors. I didn't know what I was doing, so I just took massive, ridiculous action, and for years, that's all I did was just contact title companies and banks and and law firms, and you name it. I sent out letters, I walked in, and I just cold call. I just didn't know what to do, and I took a lot of action. Most of it was not that good of action because I didn't know what I was doing. You can take a lot of action, but if it's not the right action, then you're just wasting your time. If you can be the most motivated person in the world, and you can be motivated as heck to build a notary business, but if you just go out there and start, nailing nails into a board, into a piece of wood, think I'm going to build the greatest notary business ever, and you just keep hitting a nail into a piece of wood, doesn't matter how damn motivated you are, how long you do that for, you're not going to build a notary business. And so, there's right action, and you can. The best, it's good to work hard, but if you work smart and hard, that's when the magic happens. And so, in the beginning, I was just working hard. I didn't really know what I was doing, but slowly but surely, I started to learn how to more properly and effectively market and to grow my business. And over time, it took off, and before you know it, I was getting more repeat business, more business than I could handle. And that's what's happened now. I truly get significantly more business than I can handle. So much, sometimes I want to just throw my phone in the trash can. I get so many people contacting me, offering me just desperate high amounts of money to do work for them. Really, get paid. It's crazy. I just got paid $250 for something that took me 20 minutes, and a client was begging me to do it, and I get that all the time. And because I was going to go work out, but I'm just going to go do it later, workout now. But $250 to do something that takes 20 minutes. And that's the thing. When you're getting so much business thrown your way, you can start to cherry pick and choose which opportunities you want to take, and you're in a position where you're not as desperate. So some people are going to be more desperate that need your help, and that's when you can make even more money. And it's not that I'm trying to take advantage of people, but I value my free time as well. And so if someone wants me to go above and beyond when I'm either done working or whatever, then yes, it's going to be high ticket, high dollar. And so that's why this is a great business. There's a lot of money to be made. This market is not saturated. I hear that sometime. It's the opposite. There's so many crap quality notaries out there that people are out there are desperate looking for notaries that actually do a good job, that know what they're doing, that do a good job, and so it's very easy to rise to the top in this industry. It's super easy to rise to the top just because most notaries out there are not very good, and I can go into another video in why they aren't, why they don't make their clients happy. But that's the truth. So yeah, guys, get out there, start following my videos, subscribe to my channel. I put out the good content. If you're serious about making this kind of money and learning how to make money from either this business or learning how to flip test strips and making a lot of money, or creating an online brand, coaching, anything like that, then apply for one-on-one coaching with me. I've coached hundreds of people one-on-one, and be glad to help you to start making money and change your life around. I haven't worked a job in just about 10 years now, somewhere around that now, and yeah, so subscribe to my channel to get more information. I'm always putting out good content, and until next time, guys, keep crushing it, keep making that money. Let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.